They say the eyes may be the window to the soul, but the mouth is the gate to our body. Boom, and nobody wants to be caught dead with poor oral hygiene. Oral health expert Dr. Mark Stein joined us with the best tips for maintaining a gorgeous smile. Toothbrushes, Doc. So me and you, we talk about a lot of things, but something I discovered is the beauty of an electrical toothbrush. I know I'm late to the game, but speak to why an electric toothbrush may be more effective than a manual toothbrush.
Great question. So there's a couple of reasons. First of all, I'm glad you're using a toothbrush. So first of all, brushing your teeth is really important. Studies have shown that using an electrical toothbrush reduces plaque by about 21% and reduces gingivitis by about 11%. There's different kinds of electrical toothbrushes. Some are oscillating and some are reverberating or vibrating. Oscillating toothbrushes seems to be a little bit better than the vibrating kind.
Getting in the habit of flossing twice a day is something we all need to do, but should we be flossing with wax floss?
So there's advantages and disadvantages to both. Advantages of waxed floss is that if a patient has very tight contacts between their teeth, where their teeth are really tight together, wax floss will be easier to get into the areas between the teeth. Wax floss happens to be a little bit thicker. The downside is that wax floss is usually or can be flavored. So there's a chemical that the companies use to add this flavor. It feels fresh when you're doing it, but if patients feel like they don't want to add any additional chemicals to their mouth, then using an unwaxed floss may be beneficial. Unwaxed floss is also thinner, but it also has a tendency to rip a little bit easier. So you kind of should try both, see which one you prefer, but the key is using something in addition to brushing.
$1 million question, Dr. Stein. How long should we be brushing for? Of course, with COVID, we're supposed to wash our hands for 20 seconds and sing happy birthday. What song should we be singing or humming as we're brushing our teeth, and for how long?
We should be humming Thank God the COVID pandemic is over. But, but I would say a good measurement is about 3 minutes.
3 minutes. All four quadrants, yes?
All four quadrants, yes. That doesn't include flossing, so flossing comes after that.
Tell me, man, Dr. Stein's going to make sure our pearly whites stay pearly whites. We're going to coin a new acronym today, Dr. Stein, BAF, brush and floss people. Hey, where can they go to get in contact with you, Dr. Stein?
I love that acronym. I'm going to start using it. In order to get some more information, they can visit my website, www.newyorkoralsurgery.com, or just Google Dr. Mark Stein in New York, and I'll come right up.
Dr. Mark Stein, you're the best, man. Thank you so much. Always
Thank
good
you
to
so
see you.
much. Always a pleasure. Thank you for having me.